making Android Smart TV you need any Raspberry Pi board, mouse, 16 or 32 GB SD card, and HDMI cable. Let's go to the computer screen. Connect SD card with your computer. You need the files for Android installation in Raspberry Pi board. First file is Android Image ISO file. Second file is Disk Imager Tool. Files download link available in description. Let's extract your RAR file. The size of the file increases and becomes 7 GB. Now open Disk Imager Tool for making Android boot for Raspberry Pi. Now select the ISO file in the Disk Imager Tool with this process. Next, select the SD card. Now select the right button for start making boot in SD card. Wait few minutes. Now insert SD card in Raspberry Pi. Connect HDMI cable with Raspberry Pi and LCD. Insert SD card in Raspberry Pi board. Connect HDMI cable with board and LCD. And connect power supply adapter. Power on board and LCD. Android is starting. Raspberry Pi Android TV. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to press bell icon button for new video notifications.